those of you that have been around for a while, guess which day of the week it is based on my unshaven face. You don't win anything. But speaking of winning, spam! That sounded like spam. If you're new here, if you've been here for a while and just, testing the waters, trying to decide, I hope this video decides for you. I would really appreciate your subscription and the like button. It's very important, more than you know. I'm coming to realize the like button is life. Like is life. Thumbs up is life. Ring the bell. All these things count as interaction with this video. They help YouTube promote my video when there's interactions, along with leaving a comment below. If you are new here, introduce yourself. Get involved with my viewers and myself. I really always enjoy the comments. I like reading what you guys think about the mystery boxes, what you think about my food, or whatever I ramble on about. But enough about that. Like I said, the next box that we're going to open is going to be sweet. It is the $250 Smile mystery box. There are only 20 of them, and there's some pretty awesome hits. As far as I recollect, I might be switching up the glam shots between this and that one. But as far as I remember, I don't think there was a single pop in that glam shot from Smile World that I would keep, but there's definitely some bangers. Definitely some Waffleopagus worthy contenders. I think that this one right here had some stormtroopers that I'd like. I could be wrong. But, so what else is going on? How are you guys doing? Anything new and exciting? Anything not new and exciting? Anything troubling you that you want to talk about? You can always get a hold of me on Instagram if you need to talk about anything. I'm available. I'm not like a counselor or anything, but if you need somebody to vent, just somebody to offer you words of encouragement. I'm not really the guy to go to for that, but I will. Like I said, I'm not a counselor. I probably need counseling. And most of you are shaking your head. Yeah. Yes, Ross, you probably would benefit from counseling. That's kind of mean. Why would you think that? Oh, I know what kind of counseling you're thinking of. Yeah, whatever. Haha, hilarious. So, one that you actually might have watched right before this. No, it'll be the one right before the gem pops. Was that really cool box that I got from Funko's RS that I had recorded the video, thought I saved it. I usually go in order as I edit and publish, but it's not published on, or it wasn't published on my YouTube channel. So, and I don't even know if I'll still be able to retrieve it. Yeah, rambling. I'm the rambling man. So let's see if we can find this JNavo Toys mystery box glam shots and see what might be in this. Doesn't feel like there's a stack in it. Pretty sure there's 3 pops. So I'm sure that you guys saw a couple videos where I was wearing these. or maybe it was only one. See, that was the thing. There's 2 or 3 videos that I started wearing these. And I did a slightly different intro to try to do something different. I think that was the Pokemon one. Well, it had to have been because I bought these when I got the Pokemon cards. So I don't know where the hell that video is. But how cool are these? They're sweet. Alright, so I found the Glam Shot. And then I scrolled past it. The big hit is the white and blue EB, I think it's EB, the Canadian convention, Bigfoot. And then yes, there were a couple Stormtrooper pops, which I'd love to get. FN 2187, and then I can't read that other one. There's a gold MTV icon, that would be cool. There's a Freddy. There's another Star Wars pop that I don't know what it is. There's a Mandalorian, which is really cool too. Yeah, there are some pretty cool pulls in this. The Troopers, probably the only ones I keep. I think that might be R2-D2. I'm not sure. I might keep the Mandalorian. I'm not sure what Freddy that is. It's like a red suit Freddy and he's holding a flag. What's on this side? Oh, there's an Elton John. Yeah, I'd probably keep that one. Clay Matthews, I'd burn. I would literally take that over to my buddy's house and we'd have a bonfire and I'd burn it. I hate that guy so much. He's such a dirtbag. Is he a good athlete? Yeah, but he's a dick. He's a dick. $50 plus shipping. It's got some solid feel to it. It doesn't have hard stack feel to it, but he does ship in Uline boxes. That's a good sign of a very conscientious, customer service oriented individual, seller, business person. Love Uline. I will be ordering some more pretty soon. I bought 100 Uline boxes to be ready for my auction on Whatnot that I applied for, and I think maybe I didn't actually apply for it because it's been like over 2 months and I have a lot of sales and I just see all these random people that don't have sales and are just like whatever. I would like to thank the people that have fast forwarded up to this point. We are going to open up this JNavo Toys $50 mystery box. I'm hoping for the Bigfoot, just, you know, so I can say I won. But like I said, there's some keepers, the Stormtroopers, the Elton John. It's not very often that there are pops in a mystery box run that I would keep. You know, at this point, it would have to be, well, any one of the big Star Wars Trooper type pops. There's the Patina Batman. I still need that. There's a bunch of really cool Chase metallic Jokers. Of course, there's the ridiculous Chase Batgirls. My grail, my holy grail of life is still out there. I know somebody who has it, but she won't sell it to me. She said if she ever did. So it feels like we have all 3 pops in protectors. We didn't open up from the bottom, so there should be a card in here. I have no idea which one's the hit. If there even is a hit, they might just all be $20 pops. I don't know. I think he actually had a disclaimer that you're not going to get 3 $20 pops. So I don't know. I don't know what's good. Let's just pull them out and see. Oh, this is not in a protector. Why did it feel like it was in a protector? It's really shiny. So Yu-Gi-Oh! I've heard of Yu-Gi-Oh! Before. No idea what it is. I thought it was a collector card trading thing too. Joey Wheeler. Don't know anything about Yu-Gi-Oh! Pop itself, the box, is in really decent condition. No major damage. Some very minor dings. Joey Wheeler. Okay, that one's definitely in a protector. That's definitely in a protector. Okay, we'll just go with the middle one. Boom. Okay, this is actually a decent pop. At one point I did have all the Umbrella Academy pops. Love the show. Love, love, love the show. Can't wait for the next season. The chases have look at the chase sticker. What on earth is that all about? It's backwards. Has a value of $50, which is what we paid for the entire box. Gonna have to talk to some people. That is weird. So this pop and the other one in there, that's obviously gonna be the hit. Joey Wheeler is worth $9. So, boom, that pays for the shipping. The next pop, unless this thing is either destroyed in value or worth a ton, and I looked at it, and it's not that good of a pop. It's not Fortnite, which is good. And I almost feel like this was one of the pictured pops. Soldier 76, Overwatch, never played it. Used to watch people playing it on Twitch TV. I don't even know if Vanya was in the glam shot. Let's pause for a minute and check it out. Well, we didn't get the Stormtroopers. We didn't get the Elton John. This was not the Overwatch pop in the glam shot. This thing is a little dinged up. The corner here on the window is got a little imperfection. There's a little smudge there. I mean, it's not bad, but Soldier 76. GameStop exclusive is actually worth $18. So we got $27 over value, which is our lucky number. So maybe that translates into something crazy for this mirror image chase sticker on Vanya. This is it. Signing off. You guys have a great day, weekend, whatever it is. Peace.